It's coming! Welcome to the vlog. As you saw, we have a blizzard and we're going sled riding, so we're all getting ready. I'm ready. Khalil gotta go get ready. You ready to be sledding and sliding and slipping and riding?
Yeah.
Alright, go get your snow clothes on and tell everybody. This should be fun. We're going to a really big hill. We're going to that really big hill. Do you remember that hill? Get ready, because I hope you're going to be nice and warm. She's the one that complains when it's cold. So hopefully he's not too cold, because we're walking there. Layla bought 2 sleds, but the last time they came, somehow the one that he got for Angie popped. So we're down to 1 sled, but they brought a sled. So hopefully that'll be good. So, welcome to the day. We're off. Oh my.
I wonder what it does will look like with all the snow. It's already got in my shoes.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You have socks on?
Yeah.
You don't have big socks.
I'm okay though. Just a little bit.
Oh my God. So we had to go back upstairs and find him some really long socks, because I wasn't having it. And he would have been out there for 5 minutes and he would have been freezing, talking about there's snow in his shoes. So we're going to try to take the car, because I have a feeling that the boys are going to get cold and they're going to want to come back home, and we'll have to walk here and I'll hear crying and all that other shit. So we're trying to take the car, but this is the problem. I don't know. That's not going to work, Angie.
How do you know?
He's going to just go over it. Kick it with your feet. And we're off. Yeah, we're on.
Before we drift right here, guys. It'll be a fun experience for all of us. So yeah, I just started drifting.
Yeah, really?
Let's go do
No,
it.
not really.
I might catch some speed right now.
No, thank you. Don't catch no speed. Here we are, guys. There it is. You might as well get to the top. Like a duck. Right, that's why you walk like a duck.
I'm not helping.
With your feet like this. Oh, you're right. There's ice here. Come this way.
I'm gonna walk on the other side of the woods.
Go ahead.
If somebody else is walking, can you go follow them? Why are you going that way?
Whoa. That didn't work. Okay, so what we have to do is, unfortunately, because nobody came yet, there are no paths. So we have to make paths first before we can actually have a good time. Poor Lalo. I guess Lalo got to do all the hard work in making the paths, which require running up and down the hills 50 million times. But hey, he's the athletic guy, right? Hey. It is so cold out here. It's so hard to walk back up that hill. Ooh, my muscles gonna be hurting. I'm gonna need a hot bath later. Damn. Where's all the other sledders when we need them? We're struggling. Look, she's going. It's working. Yeah, but she's getting herself here. Go down. Put.
All right, Mr. Khalil.
My fingers still feel good.
Yeah.
All right, Khalil, you ready for this?
They don't feel cold, but they feel hurt.
Yeah. Put them in your pockets. No, lay down that way. No, lay down that way. He'll go face first. Oh. Okay, lay down on your stomach. He's gonna jump on you and go down with you. Just turn around. He might break his back. Okay. Move out the way. Yeah. Let me get Lalo. Who's super cold? Yep. She got it. Got it. Oh, he did it. Almost. Do it again. It'll go. It'll go. Diddly 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 do. Yes. Diddly diddly do.
Run away, young man. We'll see you in a year.
Run and go. Woo! He's not gonna.
Hey, everybody. No, I can work on that too. That's a lot slower. Nah, I mean, you lost your speed, that's why. But I mean,
Or stick your head in your coat. Can't even see him.
He turned into Batman. He's like, disappear.
Huh?
Can I go next? No, it's my turn. That's close because you already went and me and Chloe did it. You did. No, I didn't.
Explore the forest. Ooh, the creepy, creepy forest. Ah! A bear! It's coming! A bear! Khalil, why would you just stand there if I said there was a bear coming? You just stayed right there and I told you there was a bear coming.
Because I know what to do. I'm going to stab him.
He will eat you.
No, I'm going to stab him.
Oh, this is that's somebody's yard. Come on. Did you see him? He would have got eaten by a bear. This kid. I would have ran for my life. There you go, Laylo. Get your workout in.
Nah, this is no workout, Mom. I don't think you know how much I do of running at my school. But this is nothing.
Well, something is better than nothing. Weirdo.
Yeah, you can push him.
Hold on tight.
Like when all this when all this
There he goes. Bye, Khalil. Look, he's gonna try to jump off. Look.
Oh, keep going left and right.
Oh, he's pushing himself. Oh God.
You have to.
Oh no, he got back on.
Where is he? Mommy, could you not tell he meant to fall?
Huh?
He meant to fall.
Yeah, I know.
Whatever, he's not fun.
Yeah, he is. Instead of sitting here crying.
True.
I know, but I'm not doing
So what?
You'll be able to fix it. Kalik will fix it when he goes down. Hopefully.
He got to bring that up by himself now. Let's see what he does.
Give him a second.
What?
He's not gonna bring it up. Look, I have 2 broken fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, Khalil!
Come on!
Somebody go use that sled and catch him.
Come up here! I missed him.
It's my turn! It's my turn!
Up here, Khalil!
Angie, bring me the sled! Angie, go beat him up!
Khalil!
Go beat him up!
He's coming. No, he's not.
I'm trying to...
Khalil! Forget it. We're going home.
Let me see if you can catch him.
No, I don't want to go home.
Look at how far he ran. I'm just trying to tell him that so he'd come up.
My arm's tricky. Oh, let's see if this works on this one.
Look at him. He's so fresh.
Yeah, he is. You think it's gonna work if we don't miss this one? Or would it be different?
Brett, go.
I don't know.
Auntie, can you hold these? Can you hold these?
What are you going to do? Put your socks on?
They're too wet.
I know.
Oh.
Hey, Kalik, look!
They'll be better than nothing. Better than these. Hurry up! That you made yourself go all the way far like that. He's gonna fall. Layla's gonna fall.
I'm still freezing.
No, keep your hands in your pocket. We're in the car.
My chain feels super cold.
Mine too. Oh, we got the heat on. We'll be good. Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
For a little bit? You went down super fast. So we're just gonna stay in the car until they're ready. They'll get cold soon.
You have to can't stay out here for all day.
No. They're gonna get cold. Take your gloves off. They're icicles. Oh my God. What the heck?
I might need to hide my gloves somewhere outside.
Put your hand right here. Is it warm?
This is why I don't like cold.
I know. That's why I tell you get nice and bundled up. Because I know when we get out there, it's only a matter of time when you start getting cold.
I wonder why it's a play down here, but it's still covered with snow. I wonder what the desert looked like it had snow.
The desert?
Yeah.
The desert doesn't get snow. It looks like this, but with sand. You got a mustache?
I know. I got many mustaches.
You do? How'd you not a man yet?
I don't know. Am I? I sound like a boy.
A man?
Yes.
Let me hear you sound like a man.
I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna
A mustache?
eat.
Well, as long as you don't start growing a beard.
Oh no! See you when we get home.
So, Kilo came to check on us.
Good
So
thing I did.
we were fine because we were just in the car waiting. We were nice and warm.
But as soon as they saw me,
Yeah,
yeah, baby, we'll go home with you.
yeah. I mean,
So it was a good thing I came by. That's what I was saying.
Yeah. It was a good thing he came by. But I just checked because I was telling Kilo, he was like, "You guys are leaving already?" And we were there for about an hour. But look at it's 17 degrees. So, right here. Let's go get some hot chocolate. I'll get hot chocolate ready.